This is login form. We load the form, then we start with the instructor. Our username is instructor and the password is 123. Then we log in. After login, this is home page, instructor home page. We have several functionalities. We have the functionality of managing student, adding and setting class session, and generating report. Also, we have instructor profile. Also, we have feedback center. Apart from that, here we have to manage students. This is a student who registered themselves from the Android application. Also, we can manage attendance. This is the attendance, previous attendance, which was made by students. So if the class session is set, so the instructor can select the current session, class session, and click take attendance. Because the class session is not found, we are told that class session not found. So when you to set the class session, view class session, we can check class session for the F1 date, example today, and check no class session if empty. So we can go here and set course session. Here we select the current course. Maybe we are studying Linux. We choose the date, maybe today, and the start time is maybe that time, end time is that time, and you click save. So class session is set successful. So to allow students to take attendance, go to manage attendance and choose the course introduction to Linux and click take attendance. So the attendance started, it will be last until that time. So the counter will start counting. Now student will be able to take it to verify their voice from the Android application in this time only. After this time ends, now when a student will be allowed to take the attendance of this course introduction to Linux. That's how instructor manage. Also, this is another functionality, student report. Here, the instructor will be able to generate report of all students or a single student. Start with the all student. Select any date. Example, can select 29th. Click search. After clicking search, so we'll be told that this student with this name, the session number, department, program, instructor who supervises this course. In this date, this student was present, this student was absent, and this student was present. Also, I can select the date which there was no attendance. Example, today, no any attendance was taken. And click search. You will see that all students registered are absent. I can also select individual student. Example, this student in this date, and you click search. You find that this student was present. This is how the report will be generated in this system. Also, after generating report, the instructor will be able to print, exporting Excel example, can print as seen. Can you print this attendance? Also, can you download a PDF? Let me open it. As you see, this is the attendance. Also, the instructor can send and can generate Excel sheet. You download it. Let's see it. Let me show it. Let's see the Excel out appears. So you can see this is Excel. This is Excel student attendance report. So this is how the instructor can manage students. This is how the instructor can manage students, and you see student attendance system with speech or voice recognition. I think don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to subscribe and share my channel. Thank you.